In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Invoice in Zoho Books. First, make sure you're signed in and on the Zoho Books dashboard. This is your home base, where you'll see quick insights into your business, but today we'll head straight to the invoicing tools. Look to the left sidebar and click Sales. This section groups everything related to selling quotes, invoices, and payments, so it's the fastest way to get where we need to go. Next, choose Invoices. This opens your full list of invoices with filters, statuses, and sorting options. It's a great place to check what's overdue or pending, but to create something new, we'll move on to the creation screen. Click the New button to start a fresh invoice. You're now on the New Invoice form, where a few key fields help you build a clean, accurate document. Begin by selecting the customer from your list. Double-check that the billing address and contact email look right. Accurate details help ensure your invoice reaches the right person and avoids delays. Confirm the invoice number. Zoho Books usually auto-generates this based on your numbering format, so you can keep things consistent. Set the invoice date and the due date. If you use payment terms like Net 7, Net 15, or Net 30, choose the right one so the due date is calculated for you. If your customer provided a purchase order number or reference, add it so it appears on the invoice. Now, add your line items. Click to insert products or services. Select them from your item list and set the quantity and rate. If you're charging taxes, choose the correct tax for each line or for the whole invoice, depending on your setup and local rules. Watch the subtotal, tax, and total update as you go. If you offer discounts, you can apply them per line or as an overall invoice discount. Add shipping or additional charges if needed, so the final total reflects everything you're billing for. Use the Notes or Terms section to include helpful details such as how to pay, late fee policies, or a friendly thank you. If there's a supporting file, like a signed quote or a purchase order, attach it so everything is stored with the invoice. Before wrapping up, use the preview to review formatting, totals, and customer details. When everything looks good, click Save. Saving locks in your work and keeps the invoice ready for sharing or further action later. That's it. From dashboard to sales, to invoices, to new, fill in the details and click Save. You've created a professional invoice in Zoho Books, quickly and confidently.